In this video, we'll be looking for working with tabs and groups. What are those options? Let's see that. I'll show you how to create tabs, how to delete rename. If you see, I have home insert, page layout formless, different tabs, how I can create my own tab. Sometimes you do not want to go to all the tabs. You need few options and few tabs. So what you can do is, you can customize and create your own tab. Let's see how we can go. I'll go to this file, options. I'll get the dialog box. I'll go to this customize ribbon. Now, on the right hand side, if you observe, these are the main tabs which are available here. Main tabs, and if you see I have home tab, insert tab, Paisley. Oh, so this is home insert and Paisley. Oh, within the home tab, if you see, I have clipboard font alignment number. So here it is, clipboard font alignment. And if you see, there's a number. So these are nothing but groups. So if you see, these are the different groups. Font alignment number. So what I'll do is I'll create my own tab first, and then I'll add some options in the group. How do I do that? If you see at the bottom, I have a new tab option. First, I'll minimize this. I'll click on this new tab option. If you see after the home tab, there's a new tab added, and there's a new group which is added. But now I want to rename this tab. How do I do this? I have to click on this new tab, and I have to go to this option. That is the name. Once I click on this button, I'll get this dialog box, and this display name is new tab. So I do not want new tab. I want some sensible name. So I'll type here, tutorialspoint.com digitalspoint, and I'll press OK. So once I click on OK, I'll get the tab and I'll click on OK. Now, just drag it, click on OK. So if you see after the home tab, I've got a new tab that is still turns point. But now, the tab is totally empty. But I want some few options to be added. I want few groups to be added. So I have to do the same method again. I have to go to File Options, and then I can go to this Customize ribbon. You see, there's a new group, but the group is empty if you open this Home tab. If you open this clipboard, you see, there's a paste cut, copy format printer. So I'll show you. Where is this Options? If I close this, you see this? Home tab, clipboard, cut, copy, paste format painter. Similarly, go to this File Options Customizer bin, and inside this digital point, what I'll do is I'll click on this new group and whatever features, functions I want, which I use regularly, I can add to my group. How do I add it? Suppose I want this font, so I'll select this font, and I'll just click on this add. So this phone is added to this new group. Similarly, if I want this phone size, phone color, so I'll just click on add. You just click on this new group. So see, these three options will be added to my new group. Now, I suppose if you want to rename the group also, there's one option again, and you can rename the group. So I'll just click on this rename, and I'll type some name here as font2, and if you want you can choose some icon. I'll select this icon and click on OK, and I'll click on OK. Now, what happened is in the tutors point, if you see, I have added few options. That is the font color. I have some font size and font type. So this way, you can create this font to which is known as group. You can create this tutors point. That is nothing but a tab. Similarly, if you do not want that, we have seen how to add groups. You can just delete. Also, how do I delete? It's very simple. File Options. And again, I'll go back to this Customize ribbon. This area is known as ribbon. And if you see, this is the totals point. If you do not want to see what you can do is you can just hide this. This way you can just uncheck the checkbox here. So I clicked on this. When I click on OK, this tab will not be visible. It will be hidden. So if you see, I'll just click on OK. This tab is hidden so you cannot see that. If you want to bring it back the same method, but if you want to delete, I'll go to File Options, Customizer bin, and suppose you do not want that. Early in previous version, there was a button delete, but right now, you cannot find the delete button. So how do you delete an entire tab? You have to just select this entire tab, and you have to click on remove. Now, once you click on remove, the tab has gone away, right? and you come back to the original settings. So I'll just click on OK, and you have got the options here similarly, and you can do all this option as create tab, rename, delete, and also add different options into this group. So that's all for this video. Thank you.